So there's a difference between high premium at a low cost and high premium at a high cost. Let's talk about that. Hello, everyone. Welcome back once again. This is Clean Money. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you stopping by. Give me some of your time. So today's video, it's going to be about premium without the premium and premium with the premium. Does that make any sense? I'll try to make some sense of it. I'm going to take you to one website, and I'm going to use that website. This is not me promoting them or saying go buy there. That's not what this is. It's just the only website that I know that has all of these items. And it's something that I think you should think about, because right now we have to think on our feet. The game has changed, and we have to either, if you want to keep stacking a certain way like I do, get the best possible bullion for your money, then you're going to want to watch. So you guys know me. I'm a big fan of American bullion. I love it. It is the foundation of my stack. I love American bullion. I love American gold eagles. I love American gold buffaloes. But right now I can't pay over $200+ per ounce whenever there's options out there that offer the same value for far cheaper. I'm going to use the American gold eagles because they come in the fractional form as well. And I know you can get these cheaper if you can find them, but we're going to talk about the American gold eagle quarter ounce, and we're also going to talk about the American gold eagle full ounce, right? And then we're also going to talk about the American gold eagle half ounce. And then we're going to show you what I got in the other day and see if it's a value that you think you should look at. But it's expensive. So stay right there, and let's get into this one. All right, so first up, we're going to look at the 1 ounce. And we're going to look at the 1 ounce gold eagle, 1 ounce gold buffalo. If we go on APMEX, the cheapest American gold eagle 1 ounce is $18.64. The cheapest 1 ounce gold buffalo is $18.74. The cheapest quarter ounce gold eagle is $599.94. And the cheapest half ounce gold eagle is $1,009. So those are your totals for your American gold eagles. Now, let's jump over to some other items that they have that I'm going to show you here today. So the quarter ounce, and I'm just going to have to fill in, this is just going to have to add like the quarter ounce. The quarter ounce Lunar Tiger is $473.74. And that's on APMEX. So think about that. That same lunar, let's see if they got the half ounce. That same Lunar Tiger in the half ounce right now is $912. So you're still saving, you're still getting a quality coin, and you're getting a coin that is extremely low mintage as compared to an American gold eagle. Gold eagles, they're minted in the thousands upon thousands upon thousands, where your half ounce Lunar Tigers, 1 ounce Tigers, they all have extremely low mintage coins. So eventually this coin is far cheaper now than your regular standard run-of-the-mill gold bullion. This is a way to add value to your stack without having to overpay. This is a way to get collectible gold without having to pay extra later. All right, so the 1 ounce Lunar Tiger, it's stupid high. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to use the 1 ounce Lunar Rabbit, and the 1 ounce Lunar Rabbit right now selling for $17.89. Now that is pretty good. It's really good, but there's a better one. Okay, there's a better one. You just gotta spend more, but you get more. Makes sense? Maybe? All right, so it's a segue into what I have right now. And then I'll give you one more option here in a minute. It's a cool coin. You guys have seen it. I get a lot of questions about it all the time, but I might have to pick up another one of these. All right, so this one, and it's gonna have, they don't have any more in stock, so I'm gonna have to reference the rabbit. So this is the 2022 Year of the Tiger, 2 ounce. And it is the rabbit version, okay? It's selling for $34.69 right now on AppMex. It's a 2 ounce coin. It's about the size of a silver eagle. It's massive, I guess, compared to others. It is selling for $17.39 an ounce. So that is pretty good considering spot price of gold is $16.55 right now. So if you wanted to pay a little bit more and you wanted to get as much value for your stack, then one of these options is a great option for you to do so. But don't forget about the Britannia. But the Britannias are starting to climb. I think that this whole Type 1 thing is just throwing a little bit of a wrench into it. I think people are hoarding them, starting to buy them up, and they're getting a little bit scarce. So be careful of those. There are some places out there where you can get those pretty cheap still today. I don't think AppMex is one of those places. All right, so the next one that I wanted to talk about is this one. So this is probably my favorite coin this year, and it is a wonderful design. It is called, it's a long name. It's a 2022 Australia 1 ounce gold Chinese Myths and Legends Dragon. Now this coin is pretty epic. It is a wonderful design. Let's see if I can back up a little bit for you. Now this is another Perth mint and has a very limited mintage. It's a great design. Once these sell out, they're done. They're not gonna make any more. You're gonna have a hard time finding these. And you guys know what's up. Once these are gone, they're gone. You're just not. They're not gonna resurface. Which is why I'm glad I picked up that 2 ounce Tiger, because I know for a fact in 5 years, no matter what spot price does, that coin's value is going to go up. Same thing with this one. I know it's going to go up. So this is a way to add real value to your stack with good looking stuff that you get at bullion prices. If you buy them when they first come out, but it's got to be a great design, and it's just got to work, and it's got to have a limited mintage. And you're going to add more value to your stack versus paying extra for these that are just solely based on spot. And if you can do that, if you can get stuff for the great spot price or for the great BU price, and you can add value to your stack in the long run, you're doing yourself a favor. Now, some of the things that will bite you is if you do try to resell to, say, just a local coin store. You know, depending on that coin store, depending on their knowledge or willingness to work with you, you might get just plain spot. But if you resell on your own, then you're definitely going to do a lot better whenever it comes to buying these coins and selling these coins in the future. Now, for me, I'm not interested in selling these. I'm just interested in stacking, and it just adds a little bit more interest and a little bit more collectability, something that I'm really, really fond of. And I think it makes my stack a little bit more interesting versus just 20 gold buffaloes, 20 gold eagles. You know what I mean? It just makes it a little bit better, and it breaks up the monotony, and it makes it a little bit more exciting, and you're getting a great deal at a great price, and it's going to add value. And that's something that's important to me. All right, well, that's going to do it for today, guys. Appreciate you watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep grinding on your stack.